Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and as you guys can see, it is a makeup tutorial. I am showing you guys how I created these eyes. How stinking cute. Like, just look at this. I'm super proud of this look. You guys know I've been missing off the scene with the makeup tutorials lately, but I am back, okay? I am back and I'm super excited. So I love the way this look came out. It's just bomb, okay? So if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have my brows on and I concealed the top of my brows. I haven't done that in so long, but yeah you guys, so we're gonna jump right in. Again, I give you guys some color today, not too much, a little bit, but yeah. So I'm going to go with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is a fresh one. I opened up a fresh one for you guys today, and I'm going to conceal my lids. And I'm going to go on my Morphe 335 brush. I just used it, that's why it's dirty. I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, so now let's blend out. We're going to go in with our shadow. So the first color we're going to go in is this color here from my Morphe 25C palette. And I'm going to use my Morphe M433 brush. I'm just going to start this color pretty low in the crease. And it doesn't matter if it gets on the lid, because I'm going to clean that up. So the next color we're going to go in here is with Thick, and this is from the Shayla palette with ColourPop, and I'm going to put that right on top of the previous shade. I'm going to go in with Chrome Yellow by MAC, and I'm going to put that right above the orange shade. Ooh, this is coming out real cute. Okay, so now that I have down the colors that I want, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And I'm going to use my Kat Von D Lock It Concealer in Deep. And I'm going to use the NYX number 14 brush to cut my crease. Okay, so I went a little bit higher up on this one by mistake, but you know what? We're still going to work with it. And then for my lid, I'm going to use the NYX Nude Pigment, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And I'm just using the same brush I used to cut my crease to apply the pigment. And you want to be careful once you get up to the cut crease part so that it doesn't go past the line. You guys, I started doing this and I wasn't even recording, but I just have like this flat brush and I'm going back into that pink shade and I'm just taking it around the lid color just to give it more depth and to help clean up where on this side where I went a little bit overboard with the cut crease. It's cute, it's cute. And I'm just going to go back in with that same brush that had the pink shade, but I'm going to blend this out just to make sure it's not too harsh. This is cute. So I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of more of that orange just because I feel like I lost it a little bit and add a little bit more. And then just to help more with the transition from the pink to the gold, I'm going to go in here with the shade Violet and I'm going to add that right here where the pink and the pigment meet. Okay guys, so I'm going to step off camera and apply my lashes, and I'm going to do my foundation and then come back to the eyes because I know you guys are sick and tired of seeing me do my foundation. I'm sick and tired of seeing me do my foundation, so I will be right back. Okay guys, so I applied my face and my lashes, so now we're going to go back and finish up the eyes. Okay, so we're pretty much going to do the same thing we did to the top minus the lip color, but we're going to put it on the bottom. So I'm going to go back in with this pink shade again, and I'm going to start that on my lower lash line. And I want this to be super smoky. I want it to be just as dramatic as the top. And then right under that, I'm going to go in with Thick from my Shayla palette. And then I'm just going over that with a clean blending brush. Okay guys, and for lips, I'm going to take NYX Current Lip Liner. And I'm going to take NYX Liquid Lipstick in Veronica. And then to brighten it a little bit in the center, I'm going to take More Creamer Please by Dose of Colors, and it's part of the Desi and Katie collection. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. Can you say obsessed? I am obsessed with this look. I just love like berry tones on my eyes. I just love it, okay? Yeah, it's super cute. I think the lip turned out really cute as well. I did go over the lip liner a little bit with Bite Me by Morphe, which is just a brown, just to turn down that berry tone because I'm thinking it was a little bit too purple. But I absolutely love this, the way it came out. I want to get a cute picture with this, okay? I love it, you guys. If you guys have any other suggestions or makeup tutorials that you guys want to see on my channel, please feel free to let me know. I am back with the makeup tutorials. I know I stepped off for a while, and honestly you guys, it's because no one was watching them. I put so much time into filming makeup tutorials and no one would watch them. I also went back and looked at my makeup tutorials and I was like, Alima, you were just throwing up there just to put them up there. You weren't even really putting in a lot of effort. So you guys, I am back with the makeup tutorial and I am coming at you guys, okay? I am coming for your necks with these makeup tutorials. I'm going to be using some color. I'm going to be getting into a little bit more lip options for you guys. So I'm super excited. So if you guys want to see any more makeup tutorials from me, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are loving this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, you guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.